Hello YouTubers, this is the 360 Fun, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sketch a charcoal painting here using Affinity. And for this video I'm using Affinity Photo. If you have Affinity Designer you can use that as well, provided you have those brushes. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd recommend you to subscribe it so that you may not miss anything that's new from me, particularly in the Affinity series. So let us begin. The first and foremost thing is that here in this painting I'm going to just try to make a flower. So let us begin. So I'm just starting to make a simple flower so that every one of us can follow. And so here's the first shape that I've selected. So let me just keep it at this size, and let me keep it with a white background and a black border so that may be easy for us to follow. So of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the paintbrush tool and then head towards brushes. And in the brushes panel I'm selecting the drawing brushes. The opacity currently is at 100. I'm going to just reduce it for the time being, and the width as well, I can just reduce it so it's too small. As you can see, this would be perfect for it. First I'm going to select the move tool, and let me remove this thing, and here we go. Here we have the shape. I've selected the shape. I'll select the paintbrush tool, and I'm gonna head and select one of the brushes from this panel. So let us first go with the brush number 43. In the colors panel, here we can see we have got blacks, so let me just go for the black. So here you see how I'm doing it. So initially you'll go with the dark gradient, and slowly you will reduce the opacity so that it kind of gives that texture to the painting. You can see how I'm doing it. I've reduced the opacity more, and let's go more. I'm going to reduce the opacity from this panel as well. And there we go. Now the last layer I'm going to just keep a subtle color there. Now I can select some other brush to blend these colors. I've selected this brush. Let me go to the colors panel and just try to blend these layers by gradually increasing the opacity. Here you see how I'm doing it. I'm just gradually trying to blend all these layers here. You can see the depth of the painting has been gradually increasing, and the more time we put into it, the better our painting will go. You see, I'll try to keep the slight white spot at the center so that the painting doesn't look drab at all, and it has the kind of motion and feel of a real sketch made using pencils or charcoal. So here we go. I hope you are seeing how smooth this has turned out. The more we can put in some more details here and try to blend it. I'll reduce the opacity more, and there we go. There we go. See, I'm gradually putting in more colors, and this is just for the black one. So now if I want to reciprocate this for a flower, so I'm gonna just copy and paste it and add this. Sorry, let me just for the time being go out of this menu and select this entire layer. Now I'm rotating this, and you can see that how we are trying to achieve our results. There we go. One more layer. There we go. If you want, we can just keep a central circular flower bud at that point as well. Now we can select a different shape. Now to make the flower bud, let's just go with the round one, and let us see which layer would most suitably go in there. I've placed a complete black layer there down, and for these let's just remove the border, and we've removed all the borders from these shapes. Still I can see slight white lines, but those will disappear, and I don't think so they'll appear in the main result there. So let's just go in and let's just group them all together. And here we've got one shape. I can just reciprocate that, and I've just copy and pasted there. And here we go, we've got a grander shape in here. I'll group this again. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and for more videos please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please do not forget to hit the like button as well. Thanks for watching. Thank you.